Tuesday and you're going to do your math lesson. I want you to be practicing your 5 multiplication table. That's where you would say 0 times 5 equals 0. 1 times 5 equals 5. All the way till you get to 12 times 5 equals 60. So right now you would know your 0, 1, 2, 5, and 10 multiplication table. And if you know how to do your multiplication tables, you'll be able to do your division tables. Okay? So the next thing we're going to talk about is up here. Let's bring you up closer. If you're adding sums and you're horizontal, remember you find your ones digits. 71 plus 16 equals blank. If you have a sheet of paper beside you, you can work it out with me on your paper. Okay, I'm going to pick 1 plus 6 and solve that first, which is 7. Then I'm going to go add my tens digits. 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the sum would be 87. Now let's take a little harder one. What if we have to carry over? So we have 7 plus 8, okay? So we know that 7 plus 8 is 15. I put my 5 down, and I'm going to carry the 1 over to my tens position. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 35. So that's how you carry over when you're adding on the side horizontally. The last one, 27 plus 33 equals. I'm going to take my ones position first. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So the sum is 60. Now you might be wondering what is behind the yellow paper. This time you need to write on your paper the number that I say. We're going to have 4 of these oral dictations in math today. Okay? Number 1, write 5 and a half. 5 and a half. Number 2, $230.09. $230.09. Number 3, 23,007. 23,007. Number 4, 7,603. 7,603. And let's see how well you did. You should have written 5 and a half, $230.09. Notice we have our dollar sign and decimal point. 23,007 and 7,603. So what I had you do here was your oral dictation, where you listen to a number and you write it correctly. Next, we're going to talk about temperature. 44 degrees, 31 degrees, 14 degrees, 37 degrees, 48 degrees. Okay, you know if it ends in an even number, such as 4 or 8, and you're looking at your thermometer, you're going to count by 2s. But if it ends in an odd number, like the 1 and the 7, in 31 degrees and 37 degrees, you have to count by 1s on your thermometer. That means that you have to count by 10s to your black bar, count by 2s to the shorter black bar, and when you're counting by 1s on your thermometer, such as 31 degrees, you're going in between. So you'll be able to practice temperature on your paper today. The next thing we're going to see in math is, there we go. I'll show you and I'll shift it over here so you can see me in the paper. You're going to practice a story problem. Listen to this story. Andrew bought a moose coffee mug at the Rocky Mountain National Park gift shop. The mug cost $6. Andrew gave the clerk $10. Did Andrew have enough money to buy this coffee mug? Yes. Did Andrew pay too much money? Yes. Remember, he paid with a $10 bill. Should Andrew get some money back? Yes. Remember, it only cost $6. The question being asked is how much change should Andrew get back? So you take the amount he paid with and find the difference by subtracting how much it actually cost. And we know 10 take away 6 equals 4, so he got back $4 and change. Let's practice another one. This time it's a two-step problem. All right, Emily bought 4 elk magnets for her friends. So we see the number 4 for the 4 magnets. Each magnet cost $2. How much money does she need? So we know there were 4 magnets at $2 each. So she needs $8, doesn't she? If Emily gives the clerk a $10 bill, how much change will she get back? So if it cost her $8, but she pays with a $10 bill, we're going to subtract to find the difference. So we say $10 minus $8 equals $2. Okay, now I want you to stand up or sit down. So we're going to play stand up, sit down. Stand up if the answer is yes. Sit down if the answer is no. 17 is 9 more than 8. Yes. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Yes. The sum of 128 and 100 is 238. No. A half dozen cookies is 6 cookies. Yes. A foot is more than 10 inches. Yes. 825 is less than 582. No. The sum of 6, 1, 2, and 5 is 15. No. 5 nickels are the same as 20 cents. Yes. February has 28 days this year. No, remember this year was a leap year. There were 29. A dozen eggs is the same as 5 eggs. No. A quarter is the same as 2 dimes and 1 nickel. Yes. Joe's teacher is a tall man. He is 6 inches tall. No. Remember I said inches, not feet. All right, there you have it. Your warm-up and review for today's math. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Till next time.